According to Buchanan Technologies, here are some best practices that can be followed for building a successful help desk. First off, you want to use the right help desk software system. There's lots of different ones out there. You can use some paid options, some free options. Some are installed on your own servers, and some are cloud based. This can enable your help desk to receive service or incident tickets, manage those tickets, and report the resolutions. Hire the right talent. You need to hire the right people for your help desk. One way to ensure this is to get properly trained. Using this help desk course is one of those ways, including passing the tests at the end of the course. Have weekly meetings to discuss any changes and new technologies that the staff need to learn. Also, listen to the staff taking the calls, as they can tell the management what's working and what needs to be changed. Using an SLA or service level agreement, you can require your help desk team to solve a minimum percentage of tickets, respond to calls, and support tickets within a set period of time, and other requirements. SLAs enable you to hold your help desk accountable, and in turn, ensure your help desk works effectively. You don't want every call being escalated due to poor performance at level 1. You want the staff to attempt to resolve issues within a reasonable amount of time. In some cases, you might need a dedicated help desk group to specialize or focus on a specific set of applications or IT issues. You can have teams that specialize in resolving hardware issues, software problems for specific applications, and network problems or password resets. You can use pre-drafted responses. Having these types of responses for known common problems can solve a lot of help desk issues without a phone call. Your office may have made a change over the weekend, and the user didn't read the email about it. When they try to open a ticket, start by sending the response to them so they can solve the issue themselves when appropriate. IT is always changing, so be sure to change with it by expanding the team's knowledge whenever possible. Remember that usually the help desk position is just a stepping stone to the next level. Staff will be happy to learn new things so they can grow in their career. Your help desk should follow up on closed and solved issues with a survey or feedback form. This is an opportunity for your help desk to collect information to assess its staff and improve processes. You can also find out if your clients were satisfied with the service they received or if additional training may be required for the help desk staff. Perform annual reviews for your help desk staff. That way, your help desk staff can be expecting certain regular raises, as well as feedback to know what they're doing right and where they need to improve. Best practices for help desk agents can make your help desk run smoothly and efficiently in your organization.